Hello guys, I'm going to prank my husband right now, and this is what we call sneeze prank. So let's see his reaction. Let's go.
What's that? Why are you sneezing on me like that?
Oh, I'm sorry because I have a bad cough right
What?
now.
You have a bad cough. Why you have that spray in your hand?
Oh no! Oh, he got me. But anyway, the reason we're doing that because I'll be showing you some videos.
You did that for a video?
Yeah. In Getz It Out Comedy. Hello, welcome back, and we're going to show you some funny TikTok. This is actually dramatization.
That was horrible dramatization, by the way. Kay needs to work on her acting skills. She gotta step up her skills, right, y'all?
So this is all fake,
Yeah.
but what I'm showing to you right now is a TikTok video that is not actually fake at all. So
let's get into it. Here's the first video. Let's watch.
Your water come in your face, Tico.
Huh?
Your water come in my face, Tico. My skin sensitive, Tico. Why you sneeze so like that? Your mouth, you're not broken?
Are you okay, honey?
Not really.
We're gonna make a TikTok real quick. Okay, just turn that way, and then when the beat drops, you just look.
Hi!
I'm sorry.
Cynthia, what?
I'm sorry. My allergies are acting up.
Nah, what the hell is that?
I'm sorry.
Alright guys, hold on. Kay did the one, like the fake one playing around. If somebody's like the spray, you feel it on your neck, it's like the spray hit his neck, he said, where you going, bro? Oh, let me continue. Where'd you go? Damn, man. What the fuck? You spit on me?
What the fuck was that?
Sorry.
You just fucking sneezed on me.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Man, you freaking spit on me. That shit is bullshit right there. I literally felt your snot hit my arm. You gotta stop that bullshit right there. Your snot moisture lit on my fucking arm. That is bullshit.
Hey, Mom, let me show you. Bubble.
Man, I know. What the fuck? I know you didn't just sneeze in my face. Man, why you couldn't look the other damn way? What the
Fuck's sake.
What did you just do?
My head is hurting from laughing. So much
fuck? You just sneezed on me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you fucking did.
I'm so sorry.
Fucking idiot. The fuck?
Oh, no, I didn't. Did I? Where did it get?
That's all right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hold on, there's a little on your ear. Sorry.
You really sneezed on me.
I'm sorry.
You get alcohol shit.
She's been sneezing all over me now.
You sanitizer, Jay.
Sanitize his head.
Go wash your hands.
Fucking idiot.
Don't have wasted.
Doing the spray bottle sneeze prank on my dad. Had to practice.
This food is there.
His face did.
Bless you.
Okay, now let me get one thing out the way and off my whole shit. I ain't trying to meet nobody.
Bitch.
Ew. Do you want to chew all over me? Ew. Is that COVID? You're trying to give me COVID, girl?
Yo no he escuchado eso.
That's disgusting.
Angie. ¿Qué hiciste? Ay, pinche nombre.
Oh man, that was good. That was good. But yeah, guys, I needed that laugh. I didn't even get my day started yet, to be honest with you guys. I'm about to go outside and do a bunch of things, but I need that. I'm gonna have a good day for the rest of the day because I was able to smile, and my face is hurting right now. I'm stuck with a smile. You guys know, if you guys watch these videos, you just end up you just watch it and then your head starts hurting. You know the feeling right here when you get that feeling in your head, like right here, this part of my body's hurting. That's the smile, like the smile head muscles. I got the smile head muscles, and I'm watching these videos so much. Pretty soon my head is gonna be like this big, cause my smile head. See, look. Can you see it move? Can you see it moving? See, I'm smiling. See, look. Can you see it? My muscles are growing. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. It's another video. We're gonna do a lot more reactions to these videos because these videos are funny, and you know, just keep watching. So, thank you. Hope that you stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna have these things starting to come every other day. So, stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. Peace.